Renting a car for a trip?
Hello. Welcome to U.S. Car Rental.
Hi, I need a car, please.
You are in the right place.
I want to drive to California.
That is a very long drive.
Yes, it is my first trip alone.
How many days do you need the car?
I need it for 1 week.
Okay, 7 days. What size do you want?
I do not know. Maybe a big one?
Big cars are nice, but they cost more.
How much is a big car?
A big car is $500.
$500? That is too much money.
We have smaller cars. They are much cheaper.
What is a small car called?
We call it an economy car.
Economy. Can you say that again?
Yes, E-C-O-N-O-M-Y. Economy.
What does that mean?
It means it is cheap and saves gas.
Gas? Like the air we breathe?
No, not that gas.
Then what is gas for a car?
It is the liquid that makes the car move.
Oh, you mean petrol.
Yes, in the United States, we say gas.
Okay, English is confusing sometimes.
Don't worry, you are doing great.
Thank you. How much is the economy car?
$300 for the week.
That is a much better price. I will take it.
Great. Now, do you want insurance?
Insurance? I do not know this word.
Insurance protects you if you have an accident.
You mean if I hit another car?
Yes, the insurance pays for the damage.
Oh, do I have to buy it?
No, but it is a very good idea.
How much does the insurance cost?
It is $20 a day.
$20 for 7 days.
That is $140 extra.
Oh no, then the total is $440.
Yes, that is the total price.
I only have $400 to spend.
Let me see what I can do for you.
Please, I really need the insurance. I'm a new driver.
Let me see. I can give you a discount.
A discount? What is a discount?
A discount means a lower price.
Oh, I like discounts.
I can make the total $400 flat.
Really? The car and the insurance?
Yes, everything for $400.
Thank you so much. You are very helpful.
You are welcome. Can I see your driver's license?
License? The plastic card for driving?
Yes, the card with your picture on it.
Here it is. And my credit card, too.
Perfect. Please sign this paper here.
Do I sign my name or write the date?
Just sign your name on the bottom line.
Okay, done.
Here are your car keys.
Which car is it?
It is the white car outside in space number 5.
Space number 5. Got it.
Drive safely to California.
I will. Have a lovely day.
Buying running shoes?
Hello. Welcome to the shoe store. Hi. I am looking for shoes. What kind of shoes do you need? I want shoes for running. We have many running shoes here. What size do you wear? Confused. Size? What does that mean? How big is your foot? A number. Oh, I understand. I am a size 9. Let me find a size 9. What color? I like the color blue. Here is a very nice blue shoe. Wow, it looks very fast. Do you want to try them on? Try them on? Can you speak slowly? Yes, put the shoes on your feet now. Oh, to see if they feel good? Exactly. Please sit on this chair. Okay, I am putting the left shoe on. How does it feel? It is hard to push my foot inside. Oh, is the shoe too tight? Tight? I do not know this word. Tight means it is too small. It hurts. Yes, it is very tight. My toes hurt. Take them off. You need a bigger size. A size 10 maybe? Let me get a size 10. One moment. Thank you. My feet are very wide. Okay, here is the blue shoe in size 10. I will put this one on. Is it easier to wear? Yes, much easier. Great. Stand up and walk a little bit. Okay, I am walking to the door. How do they feel now? They feel very comfortable. Comfort is good, perfect for running. Yes, I like them very much. Do you want to buy them? How much are they? These blue shoes are $80. $80? That is a lot of money. Running shoes can be expensive. Do you have cheaper ones? Let me check the sales box. Sales box? What is that? A box with shoes for a lower price. Oh, yes, please. I like lower prices. I have a size 10 here. What color are they? They are green and black. Green is a nice color too. These are only $50. $50 is much better. Put them on. Let us check the fit. Okay, walking again. Yes, they are comfortable. Do you want to take the green ones? Yes, I will take the green shoes. Great. Do you want the box? Yes, please. I need the box. Do you need running socks today? Socks? Sorry, can you say that again? Soft clothes for your feet, under the shoes. Oh, no, thank you. I have many at home. Let us go to the desk. That's $50. Here is $50. Now I can run. Thank you. Have a great run in the park.
Buying medicine at the pharmacy.
Hello. Welcome to the city pharmacy.
Hi. Indeed, some help, please.
Of course. Are you feeling sick today?
Yes, I feel very bad.
I am sorry to hear that. What is wrong?
My head hurts a lot.
Do you have a bad headache?
Headache? What does that mean?
It means your head hurts. Pain in the head.
Yes, exactly. A very big headache.
Since when does your head hurt?
Since yesterday morning.
Do you feel dizzy?
Dizzy? Sorry, can you say that again?
Dizzy means the room is spinning. You feel like falling.
Oh, yes, a little dizzy when I stand up.
I see. Do you have a fever?
Fever? Does that mean my body is hot?
Yes, very hot body temperature.
No, I am not hot, just a headache.
Okay, I have some good pills for that.
Pills? Are they safe?
Yes, very safe. They are small white tablets.
How many do I take?
You take 2 pills every morning.
Do I take them with food?
Yes, always after you eat breakfast.
Okay, 2 pills after breakfast.
Do you have any other problems?
Yes, I also have a cough.
Is it a dry cough or a wet cough?
Dry? Wet? Can you speak slowly?
Does water come up when you cough?
No water, just air.
That is a dry cough.
Yes, a dry cough. My throat is very red.
You need some cough syrup.
Syrup? What is syrup?
It is a thick, sweet liquid, like medicine water.
Oh, sweet liquid. That sounds nice.
I have a lemon flavor. It tastes very good.
Lemon is my favorite. I will take it.
1 bottle of lemon syrup.
How much syrup do I drink?
1 spoon 3 times a day.
Morning, afternoon, and night?
Yes, you will feel better very soon.
Oh, wait. I have a problem.
What is the problem?
I need to take the pills now.
You can take them now.
But I do not have any water.
Oh, we sell bottles of water here.
Oh, thank goodness.
Do you want cold water or room temperature?
Room temperature, please. Cold water hurts my teeth.
Here is a bottle of water.
Thank you. Let's pay for everything.
The pills are $5.
And the syrup?
The syrup is $7.
And the water is $1.
Yes, so that's $13 total.
I have a $20 bill.
Here is your change, $7.
Thank you. Can you open the water for me?
Of course. Here is the open bottle.
Thank you. I am taking the pills now.
Rest well today. Drink a lot of water.
I will. Have a great day.
Ordering coffee and using Wi-Fi.
Hello. Welcome to the City Cafe.
Hi. I want 1 coffee, please.
What kind of coffee would you like?
Just normal coffee, please.
We have many kinds. Do you want a latte?
Latte? What is a latte?
It is coffee with a lot of warm milk.
Oh, that sounds very nice.
Do you want a small or a large?
A small latte, please.
What kind of milk do you want?
Just normal milk.
Okay, regular milk. Do you want sugar?
Yes, 2 sugars, please.
Do you want it hot or iced?
Iced? Can you speak slowly?
Do you want hot coffee or cold coffee? Iced means cold.
Oh, hot coffee, please. It is cold outside.
Yes, it is very cold today.
Do you have any food here?
Yes, we have cookies and sandwiches.
I will take 1 sandwich, please.
Chicken or cheese?
Chicken, please.
Is that for here or to go?
To go? I do not understand.
Do you want to stay in the cafe or leave?
I want to stay and sit at a table.
Okay, that is for here.
Thank you. For here, please.
That will be $12, please.
Here is $15.
And here is your change, $3.
Thank you. Can I ask a question?
Of course. What do you need?
I need the internet. Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, the Wi-Fi is free for customers.
What is the password?
The password is Cafe Coffee 123.
Cafe Coffee 123. No spaces?
No spaces, but the first letter is capital.
Capital? Sorry, can you say that again?
Capital means a big letter, a big C.
Oh, a big C. Let me type it on my phone.
Take your time.
It is not working. It says wrong password.
Let me see your phone.
Here you go.
Oh, I see the problem.
Did I do something wrong?
You typed a big C for cafe. That is correct.
Yes, big C.
You also need a big C for coffee.
2 big letters?
Yes, big C for cafe, big C for coffee.
Let me try again. Big C, small letters, big C, small letters.
And then the numbers 1, 2, 3.
It works. I have internet now.
Great! I'm glad it works.
Now I can call my family.
Where does your family live?
They live in Brazil.
That is wonderful.
Wait, my coffee. Is it ready?
Oh, your coffee is right here.
Thank you. And my chicken sandwich?
Here is the sandwich on a plate.
It smells very good.
Enjoy your food and your phone call.
Thank you very much. You were very helpful.
Buying vegetables at the market.
Good morning. Welcome to the farmer's market.
Good morning. The sun is very nice today.
Yes, it is a beautiful day in California. I want to buy some vegetables, please. You are at the right table. What do you need? I need some red tomatoes. We have very big red tomatoes today. How much are they? They are $3 a pound. A pound? Can you say that again? A pound is how we measure food here. Oh, like a kilogram. Yes, but a pound is smaller than a kilo. Okay, I understand. I will take 2 pounds. Please put the tomatoes in this brown bag. 1, 2, 3, 4 tomatoes. Let me put the bag on the scale. Scale? What is a scale? It is the machine that weighs the food. Oh, to see how heavy it is. Exactly. Let's look at the numbers. Is it 2 pounds? Yes, exactly 2 pounds. That is $6. Good. Now I need some green lettuce. We have very fresh lettuce today. I want a big one for a salad. Here is a nice crisp head of lettuce. Crisp? What does crisp mean? It means it is crunchy. It makes a sound when you eat it. Oh, I like crunchy food. How many do you want? Just one, please. How much is it? The lettuce is $2. Okay, that is $8 total. Do you need anything else today? Yes, but I need some vegetables. I do not know the English word. I can help you. What does it look like? It is a vegetable, long and green. Is it a green bean? No, it is green outside and white inside. Does it taste sweet? No, mostly water, good for salads. Oh, I think I know. What is the name? Is it a cucumber? Cucumber? Let me see one. Here you go. Is this it? Yes, that is exactly what I want. We sell many cucumbers in the summer. How many do you want? 2, please. They are $1 each. So $2 for cucumbers. Let's count the total price. 6 for tomatoes, 2 for lettuce, 2 for cucumbers. That makes $10 total. Oh no, I have a problem. Is everything okay? I am sorry, I do not have small money. Take your time. Let me count my dollar bills. I can go to the bank if you need. No, it's okay. I have $40 in change. Oh, good, thanks. Here is your money and your vegetables. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. You too.